Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Claim Premium Flashfreeze logo of Heroes event in FC Mobile. This is the Dimitar Berbatov Premium logo. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Heroes event, this one, and jump into the Heroes puzzle. As you can see, I already claimed the motor logo, the tricky beast logo, the conductor logo, and this is the Flashfreeze Dimitar Berbatov premium Flashfreeze logo. So this is for free. I already unlocked this logo. So you can get this logo by collecting the puzzle from Heroes Expedition chapter. So you can earn a reward. It is a player or puzzles. This one, heroes have been deployed to save the world, so you have to wait 6 hours, or you can skip the countdown by 2000 jumps, and after that you can claim the reward, a player's or a coin or the puzzle itself. So after collecting the puzzle pieces, so this a logo can be claimed. So let's claim this Dimitar Berbatov. Tap free button, tap to open, and we got premium Flashfreeze logo. Let's check it out in the locker room. Tap your club, tap the locker room, and then tap the user logo, and Dimitar Berbatov premium Flashfreeze logo is on. You can confirm to change your logo. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.